Hey guys, it's me Samantha. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make your curls hold. So how to make your hair hold its shape and not just drop out once you've gone to all that effort of curling your hair. I keep getting asked this a lot on my Instagram, so I get asked for tips on how to make my hair last, how my curls keep dropping out, help. So I thought, you know what, I'll make you a really quick video that talks through the steps that I use in the salon, on shoots and in my own hair, just to make sure that all the effort that you go to curling your hair isn't a complete waste and it lasts. So yeah, let's get to it. So you need to start preparing your hair to hold your style when it's wet. So I've washed mine this morning and I've just sort of like done my makeup, potted around, and now it's kind of like half dry. So I find this is the perfect time to start preparing my hair. So I've got this, which is the Szechuan hair mousse. So all we're gonna do is take a big ball of it and blow dry it into our hair. And it's not like old school mousse where it's gonna make it really crispy and a bit gross. You won't even know it's in there, but it's just gonna be a nice foundation to hold our curls. So now I'm really excited because I've got the new GHD Helios hairdryer to try, and I've actually had one of these in the salon and I've been using it on clients and it's so good. So now I've got one for at home and I'm really excited. So all we're gonna do is just blow dry our hair nice and smooth. I'm gonna use a little round brush just to smooth bits out really quickly to prepare it for our curls. Right, so my hair is totally dry now and you can see that it's still really soft. It's not gone stiff or anything from putting all that mousse in. It's just gonna give me really nice foundation to make sure that the curls that I put in are gonna hold. Now, if your hair is really silky, really soft, and also maybe a bit longer, I'd recommend repeating this step. So what I mean by that is now your hair's dry, literally take another golf ball size amount of the mousse, put it all the way through the mid-lengths and ends, and then re-blow dry it in. So you don't have to wet your hair, you're literally just gonna put the mousse in the dry hair and blow dry the mousse in. And that means it's just gonna give you extra hold and you'll find that your curls just literally last then. So yeah. I'm gonna curl my hair today with this, which is the GHD Oracle. Now this is a great alternative if you struggle to curl your hair with straighteners. So I'm gonna use this today. So the way we use the Oracle is literally put your hair inside and the logo is facing out. What we're gonna do is clamp, twist the hair just so the logo's the other way, and just pull it down the hair, and then you can twist it and it makes a perfect curl. It's so easy. And then obviously we want to alternate the direction of the curl. So what we're going to do then is put the logo at the back of the hair. So put the Oracle in that way and then twist it so the logo's at the front and pull it down. And again, there's your curl, but you can see they're going in alternate directions. So obviously this is the front one, so we want this away from the face. So I'm going to put the logo at the front, close, twist it round and pull it down. And that's it. And what you'll notice is that I'm leaving all the hair in its like little curls. So as they fall out of the Oracle, I'm leaving them just like this because I want them to cool down. This is vital to getting your hair to hold. So what's happening now is when you heat up your hair and you twist, so you're creating the curl, you are basically moving the bonds in the hair to create a new shape, and they need to cool down to set. So that's what we're doing now. So we're effectively setting our hair by leaving it like this. So I'm going to continue through my whole hair until I've done everything, left it in these ringlets, and then we'll brush it out and hairspray it and all of that, and I'll talk you through a few more steps of how to get it to last. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm going to do the whole of my hair now with my little Oracle. So yes. Then when it is all cooled, take a wide tooth comb, not your hands, because obviously your hands can transfer oil, the heat can also drag out some of the curls, so your safest bet for longer lasting curls is a wide tooth comb. So this is just the GHD one. And we're literally gonna just brush them out. Just separate everything out so it doesn't look like bridesmaid 90s nightmare hair. And then we'll give it a little shake. Just make sure everything's sitting how we want it to sit. That's pretty cute. Then when it's all shaken out, take a hairspray. So I like this GHD Final Fix one because it does hold, but it's not stiff and sticky, so it doesn't go like solid. So I literally lift the hair and spray from the underneath as well as the top. Give it a little zhuzh. So our hair's all finished now, and now because you did all that prep with the mousse, it is going to last, your curls are going to last. So I really hope you find this video useful. Let me know how you get on with trying out those little hair tips. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.